Today's lesson is on scale drawings. Please follow along and fill in your notes as we go through this video lesson. What are scale drawings or scale models? Think about what it means to have a scale drawing or a scale model. A scale drawing is a two-dimensional, enlarged, or reduced drawing of an object. Remember, the two dimensions that we are looking at are length and width. Scale drawings are always proportional or equivalent to the original figure. A scale model is a two-dimensional, enlarged, or reduced model of an object. Scale models are always proportional or equivalent to the original or actual model. Let's talk about what a scale is. A scale, or scale factor, is a ratio that compares a length or width in a scale drawing to the corresponding length or width in the actual object. We know that a ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. So the scale ratio is set up as the drawing or model size over the actual size. When you write your scale as a ratio, remember the drawing or model size is your numerator and the actual size of the object or model is your denominator. You can solve scale drawing problems by using a proportion. So we are going to set up and solve proportions in order to solve for scale drawings. Let's look at some guided practice together. On a map, 1 inch is equal to 5 miles. On the map, Glenview Middle School and Robert Anderson Middle School are 4.5 inches apart. What is the distance between the two middle schools? Write and solve a proportion. The first part of our problem allows us to find the scale. It says on a map, 1 inch is equal to 5 miles. So this is our scale or scale factor. We also see that it says on the map, Glenview and Robert Anderson are 4.5 inches apart. So on the map means this is the scale size. What is the distance between the two middle schools? That means we're trying to find the actual distance between the two middle schools. Step 1 is to set up a proportion. Remember, drawing distance is the numerator and actual distance is the denominator. So we start with our scale ratio. 1 inch over 5 miles. Remember, proportions are set with two ratios set equal to one another. For our second ratio, we are trying to find the actual distance, so x is our denominator, and we see that on the map, the two middle schools are 4.5 inches apart. So we have inches set equal to inches, and then miles set equal to miles, because we are trying to find the actual distance. To solve a proportion, we are going to cross multiply. So we have 1 inch over 5 miles set equal to 4.5 inches over x. Cross multiply, 1 times x is x. we can write 1x, but we don't need to. We know that when we have a variable by itself, the numerical value is 1. Now we're going to multiply 4.5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry our 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. We have one decimal, so we move our decimal one place to the left. So that means x, or our actual distance, is 22.5 miles. So this represents the actual distance. Let's look at another practice problem. You may want to copy this down somewhere. The given scale on a drawing of a home is 1/2 of an inch to 6 feet. The distance on the drawing measures 1.5 inches. What is the real distance? The given scale is listed as 1/2 of an inch to 6 feet. So that's going to be the first ratio within our proportion. We see the distance on the drawing measures 1.5 inches. So our drawing distance will go as our numerator for our second ratio. The real distance, or actual distance, is what we're looking for. Now that we've set up our proportions, we can solve for it. Again, we have 1/2 of an inch to 6 feet, set equal to 1.5 inches over x. Remember, when we cross multiply, we are going to have to change our mixed number to an improper fraction. So we're going to multiply 1/2 times x is 1/2 x, set equal to, now we're going to multiply 1.5 times 6. 1 1/2 as an improper fraction is 3/2 times 6 over 1 as a fraction. We can cross simplify 2 and 6. They share a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now we multiply, 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1, so that would just equal 9. The opposite of multiplying by 1/2 is to divide by 1/2. So I'm going to divide 9 by 1/2. 9 over 1 divided by 1/2. Remember, when we divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So that's 9 over 1 times 2 over 1, which is 18. So the answer would be 18 feet, represents the actual distance.